Imagine this. You wake up one morning. Everything feels normal. You grab your phone. You stand up. You take a step. And in less than a second, the Earth stops spinning. Not slowly. Not gradually. Instantly. At this very moment, you're traveling through space at about 1,670 kilometers per hour just by standing on Earth's surface near the equator. You don't feel it because everything around you, the air, the oceans, the buildings, is moving at the same speed. But the moment Earth stops, you don't. The ground beneath your feet slams to a halt. You keep moving. At highway speeds multiplied by 20, people would be thrown eastward with unstoppable force. Skyscrapers would shear off at their bases. Airplanes would be ripped from the sky. The atmosphere, still moving at full speed, would create winds faster than sound itself. A global shockwave of air and debris wrapping around the planet. In seconds, coastlines would be erased. Forests flattened. Entire cities wiped off the map. But let's imagine somehow you survive the initial destruction. The planet you wake up to next would be unrecognizable. Right now, Earth is slightly wider at the equator because of its spin. When rotation stops, gravity begins reshaping the planet. Slowly, but relentlessly, water migrates. The oceans start flowing toward the poles. Over time, massive polar seas form, thousands of meters deep. Meanwhile, vast equatorial regions become dry, barren land. What used to be tropical paradise becomes endless desert. Then come the days. Or rather, the day. Without rotation, Earth no longer has a 24-hour cycle. Instead, one side of the planet faces the sun continuously for about 6 months. The other side faces eternal night. On the sunlit side, temperatures rise dramatically. Oceans begin to evaporate. Soil dries and cracks. On the dark side, temperatures plummet. Everything freezes. Plants, evolved for regular day-night cycles, begin to die. Food chains collapse from the bottom up. And now, something even more dangerous happens. Earth's magnetic field, the invisible shield that protects us from solar radiation, is generated by the movement of molten iron deep inside the planet. That motion depends in part on Earth's rotation. As the rotation stops, the magnetic field weakens. Solar radiation begins reaching the surface more easily. Satellites fail. Radiation levels rise. Long-term survival becomes nearly impossible. The planet doesn't explode. It doesn't shatter. It simply becomes hostile. Silent, unforgiving. And here's the truly unsettling part. Nothing dramatic had to hit Earth for this to happen. No asteroid, no explosion, just one change in motion. Luckily, there is no known force in our solar system capable of stopping Earth's rotation instantly. The physics alone would require more energy than anything we've ever observed. But this thought experiment reveals something profound. Life on Earth isn't guaranteed. It's balanced, delicately. Every rotation, every orbit, every invisible force keeps this planet alive. And if just one of them changes, everything changes.